Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing the Holy Stone HS440 drone with another popular drone in the market. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right into it and see how these drones stack up against each other in different categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots, the camera quality is crucial. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees using either the remote control or the app. With its 112 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture breathtaking aerial scenery and cherish every moment from a bird's-eye perspective. On the other hand, our second contender also comes with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture what's in front of the drone or aim it downwards. It's perfect for taking interesting photos and videos, and even for inspecting hard-to-reach areas like roofs. Long flight time is essential for uninterrupted aerial adventures. The Holy Stone HS440 drone comes with a powerful modular battery that provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture stunning footage without worrying about battery life. Similarly, our second drone also offers a decent flight time. With two rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time, you can swap and charge them in rotation, significantly extending your fun time. Portability is a key factor for drone enthusiasts who love to take their drones on the go. The Holy Stone HS440 drone is designed with a foldable frame, making it compact and easy to carry. It even comes with a carrying case, ensuring that you can take it with you wherever your adventures lead. Likewise, our second drone is also designed to be portable. It's a great option for beginners as it has fewer steps to fly and doesn't require manual pairing. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone looking to get into the world of drones. Intelligent features can greatly enhance your drone flying experience. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. These features make flying the drone more streamlined and safer than ever. Additionally, it includes functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it beginner-friendly. Similarly, our second drone also comes with intelligent features such as altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, speed adjustment, and even voice control. These features provide easy and fun flying experiences for beginners or novices. Overall, the Holy Stone HS440 drone has received positive reviews for its camera quality, long flight time, portability, and intelligent features. Reviewers have praised its stunning aerial shots, extended battery life, compact design with a carrying case, and beginner-friendly functions. On the other hand, our second contender has also received positive feedback for its versatile camera, flexible flight time with two batteries, beginner-friendly features, and portability. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. And that wraps up our comparison between the Holy Stone HS440 drone and our second contender. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Remember to check the description box below for more details, pricing, and where you can purchase these drones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.